This is going to be a video tutorial on how to add a custom background picture to a Microsoft PowerPoint slide. I will be using Office 365 software on a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to PowerPoint here. Okay, I have PowerPoint opened up now. To add a custom image as a background on your slide, it's very easy to do. I have an image on my device here that I'm going to add as a background image to this slide. First thing I'm going to do is go up to the top up here, and I'm going to click on the Insert tab. Then on the ribbon, I'm going to go down to where it says Pictures and click on that. Pictures. My image is on my device. On the drop down here, I'm going to click on this device. Now in the dialog box that opens up here, you'll have to search for your image on your device. My image is right here. I'm going to select it. Then I'm going to go down to the bottom and I'm going to click on Insert. Insert. There is my image right there. The next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to place my image perfectly in one of the corners, like that there. And then I'm going to stretch my image to cover my slide. I'm going to pull out on the side there to cover the slide. I'm going to pull down on the bottom. Now my image completely covers my slide. Next thing I'm going to do, I want to send the image to the back. I'm going to right click on the image. I'm going to go down to where it says Send to Back. I'm going to click on Send to Back. Now as you can see, my text has reappeared. The next thing I'm going to do, you may or may not have to do this, make sure that your image is selected. Make sure that you are on the Picture Format tab. And I'm going to go off to the ribbon on the left side here to where it says Transparency. I'm going to click on that. And then there's little thumbnails down below here. These thumbnails will add some transparency to your background image. They will kind of lighten them to where you could read the text easier. You could place your mouse cursor over each one and see what it looks like on your slide. I'm going to choose this one right here. And that is how to place a custom background image on a PowerPoint slide. Thanks for watching.